Hey, good morning, yearbook people. Right now I'm going to go ahead and talk about the Nikon camera. This was the camera of choice by the students. They like this one better. I like the Canon. But neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and talk about the camera. So the very first thing is you'll want to get it and the case out of the filing cabinet. It's the second drawer down. And then underneath the desk, behind my desk, you'll find the batteries. So the battery looks like this. Okay. And the bottom, this is kind of fussy. It takes a second to get it open. But you can go ahead and if you try to put the battery in it when it doesn't go in, then you know you got it backwards. Kind of the roundy, and the word Nikon goes to the outside, as you can see. And the little teeth on the battery, they go to the inside as well. Now listen, did you hear that click? That meant the battery went in. So we're going to go ahead and close the battery door. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the camera card. You'll get one of those. They are in my desk in the upper left-hand side. You'll want to put it in also so the teeth are in and the teeth are facing like the lens side of the camera. And when you put it in, listen, tiny click. Then you close your window. Now this is when it gets a little interesting with the Nikon. You have to, I'm going to set it at auto. If you look at the, it's got a little circle thing. Probably you'll want to put it on auto, or there's a sports setting when you get it turned on. To turn it on, right here above the, right next to the shutter, kind of diagonal and to the right as you're looking through the viewfinder in the back, this is where you turn it on. And it gives you this message that says, before taking photos, rotate the zoom ring to extend the lens. Now this drives me insane, but there's a little circle thing on your lens. You have to hold that in and then twist this out and then back. And then, oops. And, ooh, it took a picture. Then you will be able to take pictures. Now, to get a good picture, you just push down on the shutter. The shutter's right here. And you should see a flash of the picture if you get a good picture. Now, when you're done, before you give everything back to, whoever your yearbook teacher is, you'll want to go to this display button. It looks like a little play button. I'm trying to get it lined up. This way, you can look at maybe. You can look at your pictures. If it's a picture you want, you just arrow right through it. If it's a picture you don't want, then hit the trash can and the trash can again to delete. Now, I do want to say, some of us when we go take pictures, take 5 or 6 pictures of the same thing. Let's, if we do that, don't upload all of them, because what happens is the yearbook software does not see that the pictures are alike. It just sees that the file type or the file numbers are different. So people are like using almost the exact same photo throughout the yearbook, but it's not the same photo. So make sure that you clear this to about, 1 or 2. If you take 7 or 8 pictures, delete the other 5 that you don't want, or 6 or 7. Don't keep more than 2 of very similar pictures. When you have all those pictures deleted that you don't want, then you put the card on my desktop. You put the battery back underneath that desk. Make sure it plugs in and the light goes on. Make sure you put the camera back in the bag, and then back in the filing cabinet so we keep track. And also, when you do get the I forgot to tell you these things at the beginning. Make sure to always take your press pass. Make sure to tell the teacher if the camera's not working right. And make sure to write the camera and the number of, write the camera number and your name on the calendar behind my desk. If you do all those things, that'd be wonderful. Also, we will have camera assignments. That means on your day, you'll come in and get the camera and you'll keep it for the day and take pictures wherever you see an opportunity. Don't forget to do that. Our photo people will send out emails to remind you to pick up your camera, but you know, it's on you. Well, I think that's our Nikon training. When I get back, you can ask me any questions. You have a great day.